So today we are going to talk a little bit about EG formula. Yep, we're going to talk a little bit about that, and we're doing some grouting. I was the superintendent. Okay, I'm walking next to the crane. I better get the going before they drop some pallet on my head. Alright, so when I came across EG formula, I fell in love with it, and there's nothing like it. It's the only one of its kind, and it works wonders. It does. It really does. People who use it, they know it works wonders. I recommend anybody using Epoxy Grout using Epoxy Grout formula. That's what it's for. It's for Epoxy Grout. It's like Epoxy Grout should not have been invented without EG formula. Real deal. But it's now here. EG formula is real. That's the website right there, www.egformula.com. This product makes your epoxy grout job life easy, really easier than what, and you'll be surprised. That's what I am trying to get at. You'll be surprised on what it does. It's not just some cleaning product that does some semi-cleaning for you. No, this is a cleaning product that helps you almost like a helper would when you're. This is your helper. This is your helper, and it doesn't get any cheaper. You know, like what is it? I forget the price. Like you can't go wrong with it. This is it's very important for epoxy grout.